Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on April 7th. Market analysis. Due to the full-scale opening of the global trade war, major financial markets plunged into a slump. After the bulls in the spot gold market surged last week, they chose to take profits, and the market retreated sharply. On Monday, after the opening of Asia in early trading, the market gapped lower, reaching a minimum of $2,970.60 per ounce, and then quickly rebounded to a maximum of $3,055.48 per ounce. At present, the spot gold market fluctuated within the range, and the current trading volume was around $3,041 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the spot gold hourly chart is in a main decline mood. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of 3017 to 3056, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,056 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 3066 to 3076. If the afternoon market breaks 3,017 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 3007 to 2997. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.0916 to 1.1013. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 1.1013 points in the aftermarket, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1056 to 1.1090. If the afternoon market breaks 1.0916 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.0860 to 1.0820. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the main decline mood on the hourly chart, and it is in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart. In operation, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.2850 to 1.2933. If the market breaks 1.2933 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.2980 to 1.3020. If the afternoon market breaks 1.2850 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.2800 to 1.2750. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in the main decline mood in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.5928 to 0.6063. If the market breaks 0.6063 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6100 to 0.6150. If the afternoon market breaks 0.5928 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.5880 to 0.5850. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is at a low level. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 145.72 to 146.88. If the market breaks 146.88 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 147.20 to 147.80. If the afternoon market breaks 145.72 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 145.20 to 144.80. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.